Hello, welcome to my video summary of the day number 3 at the GARRM workshop in Prague. I am back to Uppsala, back home, and I am going to try to summarize yesterday's meeting. Yesterday, everything was around the ERA workshop, the European Radon Association 10th workshop. The topic of the workshop were the efficiency of the indicators to evaluate the implementation of the radon action plans in Europe. So we started the meeting with 3 presentations given by speakers coming from UK, Tracy Goodin from the UK HSA, the agency has changed the name one more time, Maria Larsson from DSA, Norway, and Heloisa Fonseca from APA, the Portuguese Environmental Agency. The speakers presented their updates on their respective radon action plans, update on the UK radon map, and after the coffee break, we had a roundtable discussion with the 3 speakers. It was quite interesting, and we were running actually out of time. We had a lot of participation from the public, which was really good. Then we had something very special. It is the ceremony of the ERA Award 2023. This year, the European Radon Association has awarded 2 different persons. First of all, a young research student that got her PhD recently, and her name is Miav Barrion from Trinity College in Dublin. And the other award was to the long achievement, the achievement of all the career. And the winner was Luis Santiago Quintos Poncela from University of Cantabria in Spain. I need to admit that it is very it's very emotional for me, this type of award, because I started my career on radon under the umbrella of Luis. So I was really happy to see that the European Radon Association awarded Luis for all his trajectory. More than 40 years working on radon in Spain. He was the pioneer of radon research in the country. After that, we had the assembly of the annual general assembly for members of ERA, and we finished the day with the meeting of the executive committee. In the assembly, we announced the results of the elections for the next term of the executive committee, and we have 2 new members of the committee, Dag Sedin from Radonowa and Zuzana Podgorska from Radonowa, Poland. So, welcome to the new members to the executive committee of ERA. So, that's all. It's 3 minutes, less than 4 minutes to make a summary of one very intense, very hard working day. But I need to say that this week in Prague was absolutely amazing. One more time, the atmosphere of this meeting is very special. It makes the meeting absolutely different from any other radon events. So I hope we can meet again in 2 years' time in Prague in 2025 in September. And meanwhile, please keep tuned in my channel, and I will be posting more videos about radon, about science, and also other stuff like cooking, going outdoors, and many other things. A big hello from Uppsala, and I wish you all a very happy weekend. Bye bye!